Welcome back to the channel. There's no place to hide. Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Russel 2000 are all in red. What you hear from the news these days is inflation. Bond yield rose to 1.8. Interest rate is hiking. There's no place to hide. Whenever interest rate is high, bonds looks more attractive, but stock is still a better asset for investors. Treasury yield curve is the benchmark for fixed income. All market pays attention to US Treasury yield curve. When market rattles, what matters most is how investors and fund managers manage their portfolio. Inflation is here for now. Does need to rebalance due to Fed policies and inflation. At the market, let's look at the chart for S&P and NASDAQ. Currently looking at the chart of S&P 500 on a daily chart. It's actually below 50 moving average, but it appears that it's on support. That support might actually be holding. Let me just draw a support line. Let's see here. It has been here in the past. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Let's hope he doesn't go below this support. It could go even below and get up to 200, but then this might just be a correction of 10%, and it could go even further to 15%. At the moment, we're looking at 10% correction from the high. Interest rate is hiking now. The tech stock, there's a big sell-off ongoing. This is NASDAQ chart, and it just shows that on a weekly chart, NASDAQ is actually on 50 moving average, and it appears that it's holding. Let's look at on a daily chart. On a daily chart, it's actually gone below 200 moving average. I hope this will hold. Otherwise, we are looking at more than 10% correction. But then we have to wait till the end of the market to know. Interest rate is high. It affects more of the big techs. These are the big techs that have performed extremely well the last couple of years. Environment, investors should concentrate more on the techs that are able to pass on the interest hike to their consumers. Sell-off is an opportunity for you to buy the dip, rebalance your portfolio, getting on board to the stocks you have on your watching list, add more to your positions. It is normal to have ups and downs in the market. Have a look at some of the stocks we have on our watch list. Let's see what the chart is saying. We have Shopify and we have Netflix. We're looking at the, Shopify daily chart. Wow. This is a live chart. Shopify is currently at 1,066. The previous high was 1,762. Actually, we're looking at much more than 25%. Or let me just check. Let me check. Okay, from the previous high, let's look at what we're looking at about 32.4% from the high. For anyone interested in having Shopify, I mean, this just might be a good buying point. You could get it from here, and if it goes further down, then you could add more. That's the strategy. You don't wait till you don't know whether it's going to go further down or return back to position before the end of the market. So this might just be a good point. You can add Shopify to your portfolio. We are looking at Netflix chart. Netflix chart looks very similar to Shopify. Netflix is currently at 530. I think the previous high was the 709. But then let's have a look of the percentage it has dropped from the previous high.
we can see that Netflix has dropped about 18.11% from the previous high. This might just be a good point. You can add Netflix to your position. I think it might just be a good point, or you could, just add some of it, and if you go further down, you add more.
Thank you for watching this channel. We hope we have been able to give value to your time. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment. We would always give you value, and then we would make another video maybe on emerging market or small caps. Thank you.